It's the holiday season and we're missing home terribly. The only way to cure it is cooking our comfort food. And the number one most popular Filipino dish, drum roll please. Dun, 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 dun. That wasn't a drum roll, that was like a trumpet, whatever. Is adobo. And that's what I'm gonna show you now. Chicken pork adobo, the Bisaya way. It's dry. Wise about. I have here my meat, a portion of pork loin which was left over from a previous dish. I have belly and chicken breast. I'm gonna cut them into cubes, put them in a pot, and I'll show you my ingredients. Again, I'm the lazy cook, so I'm just gonna dump everything, put it in a pot, and come back to it once it's ready. I'll show you my ingredients in a while. All my ingredients are in. I have cubed my meat, the pork and the chicken breast. I added in minced garlic, bay leaves, brown sugar, oyster sauce. I squeezed half a lemon, some balsamic vinegar, and onion salt, garlic salt, peppercorn. And just to soak the flavors in, we will put just enough water to cover the meat. We will let it boil until all the water has been reduced. Our pot's on the stove, and we'll come back to it maybe in an hour when all the water is gone. If you notice, we've reduced it to oil and we're just frying the meat with the oil that came from the pork. This will be done in about 2 or 3 minutes. Dinner is ready. Adobo is on my plate. Best served with lots and tons of rice. Enjoy!